Ginger. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the amazing benefits of ginger. Ginger has so many health benefits that I bet so many of you don't know about, but today I am so excited to share with you the incredible healing properties of ginger. And also I'll be teaching you how to make ginger tea. Ginger tea is so good for the body. It keeps the body warm and also protects you from catching cold. You can see that ginger is such an amazing plant. As we enter into this cold season, staying healthy becomes even more important. So you really need ginger tea and also incorporate ginger in your meal. Ginger boosts the immune system. It helps the body fight infection and other diseases. Ginger reduces inflammation. It stops diabetes and arthritis. And do you know that ginger has antioxidant properties that makes you look good? It makes your skin glow and makes you look younger than your age. Ginger is such an amazing plant. I will stop here today, so I'll be teaching you how to make ginger tea. How to make your ginger tea. You need ginger, lemon and honey. Steps on how to make your ginger tea. Peel your ginger, slice it, boil water, add the ginger slice. Leave it to steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can add a squeeze of lemon and also a full spoon of honey. Then it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.